I use my blender daily, and I have one of those big Boss blenders. It takes up so much space on my counter, and it is really tough to clean. So when I came across this kind of like single-use blender, I knew that I wanted to give it a try. So basically, I love making all kinds of dips and stuff in my blender, and when they're really large and when the blades are on the bottom, it's making it really difficult to clean. So I wanted something like this to make my life a lot easier. So of course you have the blade right here, and this is what's going to get screwed on. It does come with 2 different cups, so these are great. They can be on the go. If you're making a smoothie, you can blend it in here, take this off, and then they do give you 2 lids as well, so that then you can actually drink your smoothie right out of here, which of course will create less mess, right? Normally you blend something in the blender, then you have to put it in your container. Now you have to wash both of those. Now it's all done in one, which I think is really cool. You're just removing the actual blade. So I just wanted to see how powerful this thing actually is. Normally, of course, when I'm making a smoothie, if I add, I'll have either ice and then some liquid, of course. I'll either have frozen fruit and some liquid, of course. We're just going to try ice. We're going to see what happens, and hopefully it can hold up. So this just goes, you screw on the bottom, and then you've got these little indents right here. And what I did read, it said that it's plugged in, of course. It is best just to kind of do it in spurts. Like, you don't want to hold it down for like 2 minutes at a time. You can definitely like burn out the blade and the motor that way. So we're just going to kind of hold down for 10-15 seconds, lift it up, do it a couple times, and let's just see what it does to the ice. So here we go. So first blend, pretty good. Second, not bad. That is surprising. Honestly, for this little blender, that's pretty powerful. And then right now, it's just because this has created a little, I can't get to the ice at the top. Yeah, so it's not too bad. Like, as you can see, it is creating, like, it's all like, it's like, that is pretty awesome. So this is clearly blocking the ice from being able to get to there. When you have liquid in there, this kind of helps melt that a little bit, move things around so it can get to the other ice. But as you can see, this thing is quite powerful. I am definitely a fan, and I cannot wait to start making some dips and smoothies in this.